आज एक चीज तो तय है कि आज हमें यूनिटी चाहिए। जब तक हमारे नौजवान लोग दुख झेल के 2500 किलोमीटर चल के दिल्ली में ना आए, तब तक हमें कोई मीडिया में टेंशन, हमारे बड़े नेताओं का, केंद्र सरकार का टेंशन तब तक नहीं मिलेगा।
If Delhi cannot listen to our voices, if Delhi cannot hear your voices, hear your cries, it has failed its people. It is time for us to rethink our approach towards Delhi. The promises that you make must be kept. How long can you keep fooling the people of Northeast? We will not tolerate. Don't think that our patience is our weakness.
For me, it's not protecting our past. No, it's about negotiating the future.
इसीलिए आज हम सबको एकजुट होना पड़ेगा, भाइयों बहनों।
Trying to bring them together in a platform, saying that look, we may have our own issues at the state, but then as a bloc and as a Northeast, our numbers are too less. We have only 24 with Sikkim 25 MPs. It's not enough for us to have a voice if we are split. Until unless there's a bloc or a platform that represents the Northeast, we may not have enough numbers in Parliament to be able to be a voice.
And we are all united, and I keep on telling my friends, Conrad, I meet some of my friends in Assam, I meet some of my friends and my Naga brothers and sisters. I keep on saying, why can't we leaders, we all become one in Delhi, but when we go back we are divided. Why can't we all put our heads together and come together to raise our people's voices when we are here in Delhi or within the north? I keep on telling them.
लेकिन नॉर्थ ईस्ट का एक अलायंस होगा, एक नया जरिया निकलेगा जिससे द पीपल ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट विल यूनाइट